Have you ever noticed that little read more link under your blog excerpts in WordPress and wished you could make it say something different? Maybe continue reading, learn more, or even keep exploring. Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change that read more text in WordPress, step by step, so your site feels a little more you. All right, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to WordPress.com. Once you're on the home page, look toward the upper right corner. You'll see a login button. Click on that and you'll be taken to the sign-in page. WordPress makes this super simple. You can log in with your existing Google account. Go ahead and click Continue with Google. Then choose the Google account that's connected to your website. If you have more than one, make sure you pick the right one, the one that manages your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, the place where you can manage everything about your site. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. That will open up the site editor where you can make visual and text changes to your pages and posts. Inside the editor, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. This is how you add new elements or blocks to your website. Click that plus icon and in the search bar that appears, type the word paragraph. You'll see the paragraph block appear in the list. Click it to insert the block right into your layout. Now, in this new paragraph block, type the text you want to replace read more with. Something like continue reading, view full post, or any phrase that fits your site's style. Once you've typed your new text, go ahead and highlight it. Highlighting is important because it lets you apply actions to just that text, like adding a link. With the text still highlighted, look for a link icon. It's usually a small chain symbol that pops up near the selected text. Click on it and you'll be able to add a hyperlink that points to your full blog post or another page. This is what makes your read more text clickable, guiding visitors to the full content seamlessly. After clicking the link icon, you'll see a list of your pages or posts. Choose the one that matches the post excerpt you're editing. Take a moment to double check that the link goes exactly where you want it to. Then save your changes. And that's it. You've just customized your read more text in WordPress. Now, when visitors browse your site, they'll see your personalized text, making your navigation feel more polished and intentional. A small change like this might seem simple, but it really enhances your site's personality and improves the reader experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe for more easy WordPress tips that help you take control of your website without needing any coding experience. Thanks for watching.